We got the cement on the feet. Bro, where's your Z? Z out here living with black widows. That's where it's at. Look at my guy over here just chilling. I think my boy done died. He was literally dying to see the Z. I'm scared to go in here. I don't like spiders, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I don't like spiders. I'm scared. God damn, I miss this car. Ooh, too hot to touch. So, for everyone asking, where's the Z? It's right here. And this is where it's been since the beginning of the year. If I got a nickel for every time someone asked me where this car was, I'd be able to buy a Lamborghini SV cash in nickels. As you can see, we got a really clean no Jay-Z in here. I sold the built motor, I sold the turbo kit. I had that set up for 2 years. I pretty much maxed it out power-wise. I wasn't gonna get any more out of it. Obviously, you wanna go more power, so that's why I sold the kit, that's why I sold the motor. I'm gonna do a whole nother custom turbo kit. I'm gonna build a whole new motor, stronger internals. Similar build, just stronger internals. I haven't been worried about it. Around the time where I pulled the motor out of this, that's when I bought the vet. So I was busy with that. I wanted to do everything to that. Obviously, I had started the whole G process. The G35 is costing a lot of money, so a lot of funds just been going to that. Pretty much it caught COVID-19 in the beginning of the year and it's been quarantined, so that's been that. Hopefully ain't no damn spiders in this bitch. Fresh kicks is gonna turn to fresh spiders. Wow, I miss this car. Still to this day, out of every single car that I've driven in my life, this is still my favorite car. It's crazy, man. It's because I've taken this car literally from like 270 wheel to 800. It's insane, man. Like, I had this car when it was bone stock and just made it like an absolute monster. I love you. Soon. You'll be back soon. Shit is crazy. I don't know if you guys can see this on video, but there is a whole contraption going over here. This is a Black Widow playground. I really miss this car, so by the end of this month, I'm gonna order everything for the engine build, at least just to knock out the engine, so that way the engine's done, and I have some more peace of mind, so that way at that point, all we have to do is just fab up another like custom turbo kit, and she's gonna be back on the streets. I really miss going fast, I'm not gonna lie. So, reason I had to go to that garage, I had to grab these side skirts. These are the side skirts that came off my R8. I'm finally gonna get rid of them. I'm trying to sell those shits forever. Also the front lip. I'm trying to get rid of these damn things for the longest, but you know, people don't be having R8s like that. I know what color I wanna do it, it's just the material that I wanna put on here, they haven't dropped that specific color, so I might just wait or give in to doing something else, so I'm not sure. Bam, what kind of car is that? A Lightning? The holy grail of check engine lights. Quick question, do BMWs come stock with check engine lights? Asking for a friend. I was kidding. Nah, she's actually been good. Yeah, we all loaded up, side skirts and a lip back here, made it fit. Is that Snooge? Got that new Jeep Lambo. Yo, with the seat down, the exhaust sounds pretty sick. Might ride with the damn seats down. I'm in comfort mode because honestly, the damn burbles are kind of annoying. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of over them. I just like to hear pure exhaust. What's up, my G? You need that smoke? Alright guys, what you think? Mod pizza or Blaze? Or Pyology? I'm not gonna say Pyology. Between mod pizza and Blaze. I don't know. I feel like mod pizza is better. After I eat this, I'm gonna judge my decision off of that. Cause I ate a lot of Blaze pizza. Blaze pizza is bomb, don't get me wrong. But I don't know, that mod pizza be hitting. I don't know. I don't know. Yo, when the hell is it gonna cool down, bro? Yeah, man. Global warming, bro. Like, why is it 100 degrees in October? Go ahead, sir. Nissan gang, that's right. Boy, I got the Ultima R. Grill be smacking. I ain't gonna lie. Wingstop be smacking too. That lemon pepper. Bon appetit. My boy, why you got a mask on in your car? Hey, that really cracks me up. People be having a mask on while they're inside their car with the windows down. Like, bruh, you think this shit really just floating around outside in the air like that? My boy be on the freeway with a whole mask on. Like, dog, you good? I miss my Z, bro. Just hitting that boost, that should be like. I miss driving that car so much. Soon, guys, soon. So by the end of this week, I'm actually going to be taking the S15 to the shop, and we are going to be pulling out the SR. I don't even want to drive that car this week, because with my luck, that should have just blow up right before I'm about to pull it out and sell it. So I already have my new VHR trans. I have the VHR block. I have all the harness. I pretty much have about 85% of the stuff that I need to get the swap done. All right, guys, so I promised you this video, try to get some exhaust clips. I'm hoping this setup comes out good. This is the same mic I use for the helmet on my bike videos, so it's a pretty good mic. So I'm gonna use my older GoPro just in case it falls off. I'm not gonna use my new one, so we'll see how the audio comes out. I think it'll come out pretty good. came out. But yeah, it's pretty much just a test, so I'll probably do the same thing on the S15 before I pull the motor. Stay tuned to the channel. Hopefully sometime this week I'm gonna go check on the G and see how the exhaust manifold's coming out. Be sure to keep you guys updated. Stay tuned to the channel. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.